we're back at you with another mail haul Monday. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Amanda. My friends call me Min. And if you're not new to my channel, welcome back. As you can see behind me, we have a few boxes there, another box there. So yeah, I just want to share with you guys some things that have been sent to me in PR recently and show you a few looks here and there that I've done with them, and we'll just kind of go from there. Anyways, I'm so excited, so let's hop into the first box. So this first little package we have here says, "Hello, beautiful," on it. I'm not going to show you the other side because it has my mailing info. But this was sent to me by Evelina Beauty. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know if that will focus. Evelina Beauty, focus. There we go. It says, "You are more powerful than you know. You are beautiful just as you are." And inside the package, we have this bad boy right here. This is the Do Beauty Benefit Cream. This is the box. You open it up. It comes in like a squeezy tube kind of packaging. It is really nice. It's got the pink and the gold accents to it. It is cruelty-free, and you get, does it say how many fluid ounces? You get 1.7 fluid ounces. This stuff is amazing. It is a BB cream, and I've always been one for serious, like, full coverage, cover all my freckles, everything foundation person. But since I started wearing this, I'm hooked. It evens out everything so beautifully. It leaves a nice glow to the skin. I just look so fresh and awake and alive when I wear this. It's amazing. I'm going to be using this so much, especially right now. It's winter, it's cold. My skin is drier than normal. This is a lifesaver, so thank you very much, Evelina Beauty. Alright, so the next box I'm grabbing, you can see, is from Nina. It is a skincare line. Open it up, and ooh, it's gonna fly all over the place. It kind of looks like this. They sent me this card here. It just says, "Hi Amanda, I love your makeup and work you've done so far on Instagram and can't wait to see your post and review of Nina. Enjoy your glacial clay skincare experience." So that was really nice of them to include that little handwritten card. And then I pulled out this pamphlet. Talks about the skincare line. Now, I am Canadian, and this company is also Canadian. It's made by natural glacial clay and stuff that's found right in northern British Columbia, which is where I'm from. I'm a BC girl. So I'm super excited about this company. I have, let's see, they sent me their what is this? The cleansing cream made with pure Canadian glacial mineral water. And they also sent me the clay mask, which is made with pure Canadian glacial oceanic clay. These both are amazing. I have been using them for the past several days. This mask, oh my goodness, I love it so much. Here's a picture of me wearing this mask. Yes, I know, it looks great. It felt amazing. It smells so good. It smells like you're outside. It's just got that fresh, outdoorsy, delicious smell. Oh my goodness, it's so great. And then inside the pamphlet, they're not in here. They're actually currently in my bathroom, but they did send a sample of the mineral toner and the moisturizing cream. The mineral toner used with that face wash, oh my goodness. It's just amazing. My skin felt so soft after. I'm so stoked to be getting this. So thank you so much, Nina. Yes, for sending me this. I couldn't be happier with it. Okay, we have one box left for today. This was sent over to me from Lash Carnival. Oh my goodness, they were so generous. Let me pull all these out here. Okay, I'm back. I have them all out. They sent me 6 pairs of their lashes. I will go through and show them to you one by one. This pair. And this pair is empty. I had a client, well, my sister-in-law came for her hair and makeup as she had a Christmas party to go to. So I did put this pair onto her today. I'll post her picture right here so you guys can have a look and see. These lashes are so comfortable. They're so thick and full and dramatic and long and amazing, but they're comfortable. So you can wear them all day long. They don't bother me. I have no issues with them. They are amazing. Look at this photo here. I mean, look at those lashes. You can't go wrong with them. I've been having so much fun using these. I have been posting pictures of these products on my Instagram, which if you guys are not following me, you should go do that now and follow me at minsbeauty86. Because I do post a lot of pictures and short videos and clips and things over there on Instagram that I don't always post here on YouTube. I mean, really, the two platforms, I try to post completely different things. YouTube is more for my in-depth, let's talk about this, I'll unbox this, we'll try it on, do a tutorial with it kind of thing, whereas my Instagram is more quick, like look at this picture or look at me do my sped up 30-second amazing look here. So yeah, if you aren't following me over on Instagram, head over to minsbeauty86 and follow me there. And if you're not subscribed to me here yet, don't forget to go hit that subscribe button, ring that little notification bell if you want to be notified of my upcoming videos when I post them. Now I'm just starting to ramble and I'm losing my entire train of thought. I got some fun videos coming. If you've noticed, my hair has been changing a lot lately. We're gonna touch into how I've been doing that. And yeah, stay tuned because it's gonna be a lot of fun. Anyways, if you guys like these kinds of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified, hit the bell. I already went over that, but gotta make sure you got it. Anyways, until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.